Hi everyone, I'm Zahra. We are in Moodle MOOC 13. In the first week, I want to take a look at the message box and how I can send people messages and make different changes and additions in my message. Here, as you see, our messages consists of subject line, that is a required field, and the message box, that is again another required field. Required field means we always have to have something to write in them. Okay, but how I can make some changes in the message box? As you see here, if I click on this toolbar toggle, there are some other features, a lot of features open in front of me, and I can make different changes in the text using them. I can make changes in paragraphing styles. I can make the text bold, italic, bulleted, etc., etc. I can add some media, add some links, make different changes in the style, and change font family, font size, colors, color of the fonts, color of backgrounds, and anything. Let's see how it works. Let me write, for example, rich editor on Moodle. Okay, using different paragraphing styles, we can make some changes in it. Change the heading to heading 2. Okay. Now let's make some changes in the font family, font size. Let's make it bigger. Okay, I want to give some colors to it. Let's choose this navy blue. As you see, the color of the text has changed. Now I want to give color to the background of the text. Okay, let's give it some more color and make it more interesting by adding some emoticons. Now we've got the smiley here. We can enter some tables, enter some other symbols. We can make it bulleted or numbered. We can make different changes with the text, and also if I want to add some other thing through pasting, let me copy paste some parts. Okay, I cannot easily, as you see, I cannot easily paste the text here. It gives me some errors and tells me that I should go to this part, this word place, and paste the text here and insert it. Now I have got, I've got this text. Now I can make it bold, I can italicize it and make different changes in it. And also we can add a superscript and a subscript to the text. Here we've got some features for Moodle to add some text, some voice and video. I can here I can record my voice and then stop and pause it and play it again and then insert it to the text. Hello, this is Zahra. Okay, I can upload it. Uploading 100%. uploaded successfully. Now I can insert it to the text. Okay, let's see what else I can do here. I also can add some pictures, add some images by going into my profile. As you see, we may be able to upload some images from these sources, but I choose my desktop. Yes, my desktop is always messy. I should have some pictures here. Okay. We can upload it. We can also add some videos to it by adding the URL of the video that we have already uploaded on different clouds, like for example, yes, the picture here, like YouTube or other sources. We can insert the image, and as you see, image is now here. We can also add images from this part by dragging and dropping the picture here, or by adding, uploading files, choosing files. We can upload it, and the picture is seen here. After posting them to forum, we will see the difference. But before that, let's see if we can add a video to this post. I have uploaded a video already on the YouTube. I should copy the the link. For example, video. Let's see. Oh yeah. We've got here some features for activating URLs. I go to this part. I have already copied my URL. I paste it here and insert it. This word video becomes activated when I save, and yes, when I post it to forum, save it and post it to forum. The other things that we can do with this rich editor is by paragraphing style, by, for example, bringing the photos or different texts to the left, right, or center. We can also add some videos to it, some screencasts, pictures to the message box. And as you see, we can do a lot with this message box. Okay, now let's post to forum, save our changes. Oops, as you see, subject is required. Let's say rich editor. I can later edit or delete this post, but just to check how it may appear, let's, oh yeah, it says you have 30 minutes to edit it if you want to make any change. Let's go to my message. Now I should open my message here. As you see, rich editor on Moodle, the colors here. Hello, This is Zahra. Okay, my poodle voice. Here is my image, and here is the video I have uploaded. This is the picture I have dragged and dropped here. As you see, it appears here a little bit different, but we can adjust each one by going to edit and make changes, for example, in their size. And also now I can delete the post, as this is not the post I want to share. But just let's see how we can edit them. Okay, you see here this picture, this image. I can make it smaller or bigger. I can change the size of the picture, and here is my video, and here is the other image. We can also delete it, download it, and make different changes in the image. Okay, as you see, this rich editor has got different features that can help us make different changes in the text and bring interesting pictures, videos, voice files, and every types of media to our messages. I'm sure you can share a lot more interesting features with me, and for now, thank you so much for your time for watching and listening to me. Have a nice time.